यूट्यूब चैनल। माय नेम इज़ फिरदौस। आज हम पढ़ने जा रहे हैं फैक्टर्स इफेक्टिंग दैट सीड जर्मिनेशन। External factors, internal factors. The following environmental factors influence seed germination and seedling growth. External factors, also known as environmental factor. Most important factor affecting germination of seed are following: water, temperature, aeration, light, salinity, pathogenic organisms. Water is required for germination. Mature seeds are often extremely dry and need to take in significant amounts of water related to the dry weight of the seed. Before cellular metabolism and growth can resume, most seeds need enough water to moisten the seeds but not enough to soak them. The uptake of water by seeds is called imbibition, which leads to the swelling and the breaking of the seed coat. When seeds are formed, most plants store a food reserve with the such seeds such as starch, protein, or oils. The food reserve provides nourishment of the growing embryo. When the seed imbibes the water, hydrolytic enzymes are activated, which can break down these stored food resources into metabolically useful chemicals. After seedling emerges from the seed coat and starts growing roots and leaves, the seedling's food reserves are typically exhausted. At this point, the photosynthesis provides the energy needed for the continued growth, and the seedling now requires a continuous supply of water, nutrients, and light. Aeration. Germination seeds respire at a very high rate, thus adequate supply of oxygen is necessary for germination to take place and seedling to grow. Germination rate and germination percentage of most kinds of seeds are adversely affected in the germination medium is poorly aerated. In seed beds that are overwatered or poorly drained with clay oil, the soil porous spaces may be filled with water with oxygen. The supply to the seed is limited or prevented. Temperature. The temperature influences strongly the percentage and rate of seed germination. The optimum temperature varying with the kinds of seed. In general, seed are crops such as lettuce, celery, etc. germinate best at relatively low temperature of 0 to 10 centigrade, whereas seeds of warm season crops like pumpkin, bottle gourds, etc. requires relatively high temperature ranging from 20 to 30 degrees centigrade. Seeds of several other species germinate over a wide range of temperature. Many other kinds of seeds germinate better when the temperature fluctuates daily about 10 degrees centigrade between maximum and minimum. Salinity. Soil salinity and poor quality water used to irrigate the seeds beds often retard or prevent germination. Salinity problem becomes severe with the germination medium is lightly and frequently watered. Evaporation of water leaves salt deposition on the soil surface. Small, shallowly sown seeds are likely to be damaged by salts. This problem can be solved by using soils with adequate organic matter and irrigation water low in salts, withholding fertilizers, and by irrigating or copiously but less frequently so that excess salts are leached out. Pathogen organisms on the seed surface in the germination medium in the irrigation water or the tools may cause low germination and rooting of seedlings. The situation is known as dumping off and is aggravated by high moisture and high temperature conditions. Light or darkness. Light or darkness can be environmental trigger for germination and is type of physiological dormancy. Most seeds are not affected by light or darkness, but many seeds, including species found in forest settings, will not germinate until an opening in the canopy allows sufficient light for growth of the seedlings. Internal factors see the hormone due to internal conditions and to its release. In some plants, the embryo is not fully mature at the time of shed seedling. Such seeds do not germinate till the embryo attains maturity. The freshly shed seed in certain plants may not have sufficient amounts of growth hormones required for the growth of embryo. These seeds require some internal uptime during which the hormones get synthesized. Gibberellic acid. Gibberellic acids is a naturally occurring plant growth regulator. Pre-soaking seeds in gibberellic acid 3 will often cause rapid germination of many highly dormant. Viability of seeds. After seeds are produced, they remain viable. They have potential to germinate up to a certain period that varies from plant to plant or seed to seed. Thank you, students. Assalam.